51. The inheritance of patience. God tests and tries us, says James, that we, quote, may be perfect and entire, wanting nothing. James 1:4. The word entire is in the Greek text holokairos, coming from kleros, and it means our full inheritance from the Lord. In other words, no patience, no full inheritance. The immature and childish believer does not get his or her full inheritance. These are strong words. Their beauty in the King James Version makes us forget how plain-spoken and blunt they are. James tells us that lack of patience on our part makes us losers before God. We don't get all that He has to give because of our lack of patience, our lack of maturity. Impatient people are also censorious. They want perfection from all around them in terms of their requirements. They make themselves, rather than the Lord, be judge over all. We've forgotten how important a virtue patience is, but God does not forget. In earlier generations in the United States, patience was so prized a virtue that it was considered a favorite name for girl babies. It was believed that the virtue of patience was a fitting crown for beauty. It's a virtue much neglected in our day, which is one reason why so few have their full inheritance from the Lord. Try being patient and surprise your friends and family. Remember, God gives patience an inheritance.